Hi guys! When a day off came, the volunteers decided to challenge themselves by hiking Mount Batur, one of Bali's most iconic volcanoes. With a spirit of togetherness and curiosity, they began their hike in the early hours before dawn. Although the climb wasn't easy, every step was enjoyable thanks to the support of one another. Upon reaching the summit, the rising sun slowly lit up the Balinese sky, offering a magical view beyond words. This hike became a special moment for the volunteers, a valuable break that strengthened their bond, refreshed their minds, and added deeper meaning to their experience in Bali. Enjoy the adventure, guys!